Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add voice effect on TikTok. So let's move to the TikTok mobile application here. So click over here and after that click on the plus icon. Okay, and after clicking on the plus icon you have to give the permission. If you haven't, then you have to click on you have to record your video first of all. So let's say I'm recording this, and after that it doesn't matter it's 15 minutes or 60 seconds, sorry, 15 second or 60 second, you have to click on the check mark, right? Record and your after video that first here of all, you can say there is a lot of option and the video is playing right now here. So you have to click on the audio editing, which is down below here. So just click on the audio editing and here you have the option of none, and after that there is a lot of audio effects, right? So for example, there's wake, megaphone, dropout, battery, shake, electronic, echo, and there are so many, right? And after that, if you want to record a new voice, then you can just click on the record and you can do also that. And if you want to replace with original sound, you can also do it here. There's an option down below here, and that's it, right? So just click on the save, which is on top right side corner after all of your work, and just click on the next, and after that you can also post this video, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. If you found this video really helpful, like this video, subscribe our channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.